After doing a documentary on Penne Alla Vodka, this is what I consider the most delicious version of the sauce. In a cast iron skillet, add garlic cloves, tomatoes, chili flakes, bay leaves, and lots of olive oil. You're going to slow roast everything at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and after 3 hours, it's going to look like this. Drain and save the olive oil and place all the roasted tomatoes along with the now confit garlic into a container to puree until smooth consistency. Next, warm up a large skillet and add a bit of the olive oil along with half a stick of unsalted, high-quality butter. Roughly chop a yellow onion and then add it to the pan. Let the onion slowly caramelize on low heat, stirring often. Next, prepare your chili vodka by adding a good pinch of chili flakes and 2 ounces of any vodka. Time for the secret ingredient, gochujang Korean fermented chili paste. Add a big dollop of it into the vodka and stir until fully dissolved. It's time to get your pasta water ready. So, throw a pot of cold water on the stove on high heat. By now, your onions should be the color of gold and ready to be added to your tomato puree. Add them to the jar and blend until silky smooth. Next, take your chili vodka and deglaze the pan with it. Carefully burn off any residual vodka left in the pan and extinguish with your sauce. As you can see, it's beyond creamy and without any added cream. At this point, you can jar half of it and share it with only your best friends. The other half you're going to want to eat. So, salt your boiling water, throw in your pasta of choice. When they're about 2 minutes out from al dente, drain and save some of the pasta water. Add the pasta and let them finish cooking in the pan, stirring and moving constantly. Add some of the pasta water if the sauce gets too thick. This is going to make it unbelievably rich and creamy. When al dente, it's time to plate. First, a little Parmigiano sets the stage. Then, your beautiful pasta, a little Parmigiano topper, and a crack of pepper. And the rest is just for you to enjoy. And if you're wondering how I got to this level of Alla Vodka excellence, be sure to check out my documentary, Disco Sauce, the true untold story of Penne Alla Vodka. What if I told you everything you thought you knew about this was a lie?
What do you want to know?
Just tell me how you really feel.
I would not serve it in a restaurant. I wouldn't serve it to my family either.
The subject at heart is a simple bowl of pasta, Penne Alla Vodka.
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 Rigatoni dish is $32.
$32 American dollars?
$32.
If you're planning on having a meal, do it now, because believe me, you won't want to eat.
Something happened to him. After the film, he went crazy. The guy was insane.
I don't even want you to film this because some fucking jerk is gonna say I don't have any knife skills, which I don't. I'm a fucking mechanic.
You can't sell it.
That's giving us raw legal cream.
I told you I've had raw cream for a week.
Who is Ugo Tognazzi?
Do you know, have you ever heard of Ugo Tognazzi?
Ugo Tognazzi, yeah, I know Ugo Tognazzi.
The spice.
I had this pepper that's gonna make you horny.
How about the moonshine?
Oh, no. Come back.
No!